This video is all about adding value, and I only have one question. What can I do for you? Welcome to djTLMtv. I'm djTLM, and like I said, this video is all about adding value. I want to make sure that I'm producing the content that you want to see, and that's why I need your help. I want you to tell me what it is that you're looking for. Now, if you're new to the channel, this is my educational platform for DJs. I've been DJing for over 25 years, and I use the channel to share my experience by producing content like product reviews, tutorials, tips and trick videos, gig vlogs, interactive scratch sessions, and a lot more. Now, to make sure that you can find the content that I already have on the channel, if you go to my channel page and you go to playlists, you can find a lot of playlists, and I'm trying to make a lot more, really curate my content to make it easier to find specific videos. So I'll have playlists for beginners, product reviews, and I'm going to specialize it even more so you can find controller reviews, mixer reviews, turntable reviews, you name it. So one of my goals for the channel was to create a real community vibe, and I wanted to make sure that everyone feels comfortable enough to ask anything in the comments section. And I've seen some great progress. Overall, it's super positive, and I'm really happy with that. And I've also seen a lot of you try to help each other out. Now, to me, that's a blessing because I'm learning from the questions and the answers. And a lot of times people ask questions that I don't know the answer to. Now, that's also the reason why I try to school myself to make sure that I stay up to date when it comes to the new tech. That's why I'm trying to do as many reviews as possible, trying to learn all the DJ systems and all types of equipment out there so I can add more value by adding some real information. I already have a lot of content on the channel, but moving forward, I want to make sure that I'm providing you with the things you want to see. Now, I'm going to do a lot of videos anyway, but it's always good to know what it is that you're looking for. I might have ideas, but you're going to give me a lot more, and that way I'm going to be sure that I'm making videos that you want to see. So use the comment section of this video to tell me everything you want to know. Now, you don't have to make one long list. You can just come back to this video at any time and leave that comment. And if someone sees a question and you know the answer, it's perfectly fine to already answer that. I might still make a video anyway, but let's make sure that this becomes the place where we're thinking about new ideas for the channel. Let me know how you feel about the current status of the channel. Let me know what you'd like to see. Let me know if there's anything that you don't want to see, because any type of feedback is very important to me. And I want to take a second to thank you, because all of you are the fuel that makes this channel run. All of the feedback that you're leaving me in the comment section, the DMs on Instagram, all of the emails telling me how you feel about the channel and how it's helped you, all of that has provided me with the energy I needed to not go on, but to take it a level further. And that's why hopefully you've noticed that I've been producing a lot more content, and I'm gonna keep that up, but your energy is giving me even more fuel, and I love it. So I wanna thank you for that, and I hope that I can continue to provide that value that you're looking for. So that's what this video was all about. What can I do for you? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now, if you like this video, make sure you like it and share it so other people can come in and also add their feedback and leave their requests. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and activating notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I also want to take the time to invite you to follow me on Instagram, because I produce content for Instagram that I can't post on YouTube. So for instance, I'm trying to make more short 1-minute tutorial videos where I'm taking clips from actual gigs where I'm playing music that I cannot post on this channel, so you can check that out there. Also, make sure you check out my weekly Mix podcast on Periscope every Wednesday. Check out the Share the Knowledge podcast every Monday. And for all of that information and a lot more, don't just check the description box down below, but check out my website, djTLM.com as well. You can also find merch like this in the shop over there, and I have a lot more coming. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'm going to thank you in advance for leaving all the comments in the comment section, and I'll be back soon. See you next time.